Howdy, y'all. This is Grandpa with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. I'm at the 1010 Waugh. The 1010 Waugh, this is their B3. Whoa, this is a stunning apartment. Look at this gorgeous apartment. It's all new. The building just recently opened up. It's gorgeous. I mean, look at it. It's just a stunning, gorgeous, feel wonderful kind of place. You walk in, the ceilings are soaring. There's all of these huge windows here too. Man, I mean, you get to see two on two walls, these beautiful windows. The kitchen's just perfect. I mean, it's just adorable, charming, but a lot of space. That's a really big sectional and it's easily fitting in there. I love all the light that's coming in, and then it's got the post to kind of remind you this is a high rise, and then balcony and so much space here. Isn't it just adorable? I walk into the bedroom. The bedroom's really cute too. The bedroom is delightful. That's a king bed, easily fitting in here. And then just look at all the space and how adorable this is. That's a built-in shelf over there. Gorgeous windows that are here. It's just a stunning apartment. We finished it up by looking at the gorgeous bathroom. There's a dual sink in here, gorgeous dual sink. And then it not only has a tub here that you can really enjoy, soaking, but you also have a shower and a walk-in shower. It's just gorgeous, separated. Hey, this is a beautiful apartment. If you're ready to take a tour, that's what I'd recommend. We can do a virtual tour on your iPhone, or we can do a live in-person tour. Either one works, and we can do both, and it's always free. Send in a text to me and say hi. I'd love to help you find your perfect apartment here in Houston with our 100% free service.